Hey everyone, so in previous video I was fetching the old entries from Lemlist and was putting it into the Attio. Here in this video I'm showing you how you can live sync the Lemlist and Attio. Like if a new lead is added in Lemlist, you can add that in Attio as well. So it is pretty simple. You just have to create a webhook here. You can create it from here and copy the webhook URL, put that in Lemlist by just going into the webhook portion and add the event there. And then actually added multiple events like email sent, LinkedIn invite sent, email replied, LinkedIn replied, and if someone accepted the LinkedIn request. So whenever the webhook will trigger, it will give us the data, and according to the filter type it will be updating that into the CRM in Attio. But you can use it here any other CRM as well, like Salesforce, HubSpot, or any other one. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.